चलो बच्चों जल्दी आंसर करो। Arjun has also answered this. You need to find the angle at which man should hold his umbrella to avoid getting wet. Tanmay has answered tan theta as 3/5. Okay, देखते हैं. We'll see. अनिमेश ने बोला 45, अर्जुन 45. सॉरी गाइस, मेरा गला बहुत खराब हो रहा है. तन्मय, आई थिंक यू आर करेक्ट. स्नेहा, वेरी गुड बच्चा. So what is velocity of rain, guys? How did you get the answer? Vishwa has also got the answer. Guys, tell me, what is velocity of rain here? Direction of velocity of rain is given to us, but what is the velocity of rain here? Because only one value is given, right? Only one value is given to you. What is the velocity of rain? 6? No. I have not given that value in the question. How did you find the answer? That 10 is the acceleration. Why are you taking the value of acceleration here? Tanmay, वो value 10 जो होता है वो acceleration होता है, right? Why are you taking the value of acceleration as velocity? Tanmay, got my point? Actually, that value has not been given to you. It should be given to you. Yeah, something is missing. But how did you get the answer? I think some of you have Googled it. I knew you are going to do that. Guys, be honest with me. Have you solved this by your own? If that value of V as 10, if you have taken, then that is an honest mistake. That can happen to anybody. But I am having a kind of feeling that you guys are Googling the questions and you're getting the answer. Because one of the value is not known here, how can you get an answer here? Even if they have solved it before, then they should have the value, na? Book mein tha, okay, book mein tha, then in the book, the value must be given 10, right? Okay, then your parents are besides you. Then that is correct. Good. Then that is good. You couldn't solve. Then it's okay, na? Guys, if you can't solve it, it's okay. That is chalega. I have to teach you how to solve them. But see, the aim of your aim of you should not be like to get the answer. The aim should be to understand the concept. All right. चलो, तो यहाँ पे क्या है बच्चा? One data is missing, that the rain is falling vertically. Now your answer will make sense. Otherwise, your answer doesn't make any sense because this value is not given to you. How can you consider the value of acceleration as the value of velocity? That is a blunder. That is that you can say that is a crime that you have committed or a sin. पाप है वो. How can you assume any value? चलिए, तो let us try to find how can we deal with the Rain Man problem. All right. Private chat is not enabled. Okay, wait. Now it's okay. ठीक है? देखो बच्चों, there are 3 vectors that will be involved there. 3 velocity vector that will be involved there. So let us draw that velocity. तो पहला काम जो रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा बच्चा? In Rain Man problem, draw the velocity vector diagram. क्या करना है बच्चा लोग? Draw the. It's not new. Everywhere we are doing the same thing. So draw the velocity vector diagram. And then analyze it geometrically. That's it. Then everything will be okay. कोई फिर issue नहीं होगा. Okay, what are the velocities that have been given to us? So rain is falling vertically. Rain is falling vertically, and man is moving with velocity 6. So man तो ऐसे move करेगा ना, like on the horizontal road, and rain is falling down. So I know the velocity of rain that is downward. This is velocity VR. All right. This is velocity VR. What about the velocity of man? So the man can go towards right, it can go towards left also. So let us say velocity of man is towards left. Like this. Okay? Any issues, guys? Do you have any doubt, any problem, any dukh dard? Now these are the two velocities that we are having. Acha, what about VRM? So VRM, velocity of rain with respect to man, will be written as velocity of rain minus velocity of man. So either you take help of this equation or you can take help of this one. VR is equal to VRM plus VM. So whichever relation looks comfortable to you, you can use that. You can use this relation also, the subtraction one, you can use the addition one also. ठीक है बच्चा, तो दोनों ही मेथड, दोनों relations will help you. So if you are going to use this part, draw VR and VM in such a way that their tails are coinciding. Hello Disha, what is going on? कुछ तो चल रहा है इनका. Disha and one more girl, they were exchanging some kind of code word. Hi, hello कर रहे हैं लोग. So VRM is VR minus VM. So how can you draw the vector diagram here? So draw these two vectors in such a way that their tails are coinciding. ठीक है? Draw VR and VM in such a way that their tails are coinciding. तो draw करते हैं, देखो. So this is how we should draw it. If we take help of this one, right? Then what will be VRM? Considering this is the final one, this is the initial one, the head should be at the head of VR and tail should be at the head of VM. So draw that. So this is VRM. Guys, click yes if you understand this part. So this is the velocity vector diagram. Is it tough, guys? Did I use any new concept? Tell me. Did I use any new concept? Is it new or we have already done this part already? किया हुआ है ना? चलिए. तो अब इसी part का use करेंगे. Now we have a triangle. In this question we have a triangle and luckily we have a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This is what? 90 degree. Tell me what is the value of VM? So this is nothing but 6 meter per second. What is the value of VR? This is nothing but 10 meter per second. So what is the direction of rain with respect to man? Achha, first of all, read this. Find the angle at which the man should hold his umbrella. How will you hold the umbrella to avoid getting wet? कैसे hold करोगे? So with respect to you, when you are running towards left, right, with respect to you, rain is coming like this. So you'll hold the umbrella in this fashion to avoid the rain wetting you, right? ऐसा ही करेंगे ना, to opposite direction, to opposite to the direction of rain with respect to man. So if rain is coming down like this, you'll hold the umbrella like this, right? So in which direction you have to hold the umbrella? So this is the direction in which you have to hold the umbrella. How will you tell the direction of anything? So the direction can be given as the angle made by this line with the reference line. Reference is the horizontal one. So I can give this angle also. I can give the vertical angle also. No issues. So let us give this angle. Theta. So what will be tan theta? Chalo bolo. Tan theta is 10 by 6. So क्या मिला? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 5 by 3. What is this theta? This is the angle made by umbrella with horizontal. With horizontal. Most of you have given answer as 3 by 5. That angle is with the vertical. If I find this angle, this is the angle made by the umbrella with the vertical. So if this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta, or this, if this you call alpha. So this tan alpha will be equal to 6 by 10. So 3 by 5. So that tan inverse 3 by 5 is the angle made by the umbrella with the vertical. So both the answers can be correct, will be correct. No issues. It depends like what is the question. If in the options I'm asking you, find the angle made by the umbrella with horizontal. This is the answer. If in the question I specifically asked you what is the angle made by the umbrella with the vertical, then this angle, that tan inverse 3 by 5 will be the answer. Guys, did you understand the solution for this question? But chalo, click yes if you have understood this. समझ में आया? ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. Now let me consider one general condition, ठीक है? And let us try to verify it with our real life experience, ठीक है? जो हमारा real life experience होता है. Real life experience कैसा होता है देख लो. Consider that rain is not falling vertically. In this question, rain was falling vertically. Consider rain is not falling vertically. You are going towards right. This is your direction. You are the man, so velocity of man is, let's say, towards right. And rain is having velocity. That means VR is having velocity in this direction. This is the direction of VR. Tell me, guys, what will be the direction of velocity? What will be the direction of velocity of rain with respect to you? How will you observe the velocity of rain? Bolo bachcha log. How will you observe the velocity of rain? Will you find that rain is hitting you at the same angle or something else? Let us find out. Okay, let us find out, and let us find out how can we change the direction of rain with respect to me by changing my velocity. Okay, so first let us find out what is VRM. तो VRM कैसे निकालेंगे बच्चा? तो सिंपल सी बात है, VR को ऐसे ड्रॉ करो, VM should be at the tail of this. Now what is VRM? तो VRM will be the vector starting from VM ending at VR. ऐसे ही कुछ रहेगा. Let me make थोड़ा सा more inclined one, like this. All right, and this is VR. Clear hai? So what will be VRM? With respect to you, what is the velocity of rain? Let me use green color. All right, let me use green color. So this is the velocity. Guys, tell me what is the actual velocity? What is the actual velocity of rain? This is the actual velocity of rain. Tell me what is the velocity of rain with respect to man? So this is the velocity of rain with respect to man. No, Vinith, it's correct only. It's correct only. मैंने क्या VRM निकाला है? What is VRM? VRM is equal to VR minus VM. Same order में तब करते हैं ना जब addition की बात करते हैं. If I write VR is equal to VRM plus VM, so VRM and VM should be in same order. So VM and VRM should be in the same order. It's correct only. देखो बच्चा. So rain is actually falling at this angle. But with respect to you, how do you find? That sir, it is falling thoda sa at this angle. Acha, what if I increase the velocity of man? Guys, every one of you have experienced this, believe me. What will happen if I increase the value of VM? What will happen? Can I say you will have a feeling that rain is not falling at such an angle, but rain is falling a bit more inclined towards vertical. Imagine a condition where I have increased the value of VM like this. Now what is VRM? Now VRM will be this one. Again, if I increase the velocity of VM, how the velocity of VRM will become? Like this, right? Guys, are you getting my point? If you still increase the velocity of VM, now what will happen? You will think with respect to you, the velocity of rain with respect to man is this one. But what is the actuality? What is the reality here? In which direction rain is falling? Rain is actually falling behind you. You are going towards right. Rain is falling from left. But when you have sufficient velocity, what has happened? You feel like rain is not falling from behind me, but rain is falling from me, like from front side. Actually, rain is actually hitting me from the this side. Have you felt this part in real life, guys? हुआ है? If you're standing still, you'll feel that rain is hitting your head or hitting your backside. When you start running or when you start riding the bicycle, you feel like now your front face, now rain is hitting your front face or front side. When you are standing, your rear side of the shirt get wet. When you are riding the bicycle with a very high speed, you feel like your front face, your front side of the shirt is getting wet. Have you experienced this or not? If you ride bicycle or a bike or a scooty, you must have experienced this. Got it, guys? सबने ऐसा कुछ फील किया है ना? ठीक है. So ये पार्ट हमेशा आपको समझना होगा. So this is the velocity of rain. This is the velocity of man. If you increase the velocity of man, there might be a chance that you might feel that rain is falling vertically at some velocity Vm like this. The rain might feel like it is falling vertically. If you still increase the velocity, you might feel that rain is falling from front side. ठीक है? Clear है? Tarak Datta is asking, sir, when rain is vertical, we can run and rain can start hitting our face. Yes. Even if rain is not falling vertical at a very greater speed, you will find that rain is hitting your face like this. Directly it is coming towards you. Just imagine if rain is falling with a small speed. Now consider a condition where you are on a bus or you are on a bike or you are like sitting as a pillion on a bike with your elder brother. And he's riding with a speed of, let's say, 120 km per hour. What do you actually feel? You feel like rain is not falling like this. Rain is actually coming to me like this. You'll feel something of this sort. Not exactly, but you'll feel like rain is coming. See, if you have very large speed as compared to VR, just imagine this condition. If you're having very large speed as compared to VR, consider this case. If you're having very large speed as compared to VR, what will happen? Now VRM will be this one. Now, if this is still very, very large, what will happen? You'll feel like rain is actually hitting my face horizontally. Okay? This is because of the relative motion concept. This is because of the relative motion concept. Because of the notion of relative motion. Guys, click yes if you have understood this diagram and if you have understood the meaning actually. And if you can relate with the real life phenomenon, real life process. Clear है सबको guys? Do you have any doubt in this one? कोई डाउट है किसी को बच्चा लोग? एनी प्रॉब्लम, एनी दर्द, दुख दर्द, सब क्लियर है? ठीक है. सो इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, नाउ सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. क्लियर है? स्प्राइट वाला क्लियर है या क्रिस्टल क्लियर है? Come on guys, give me the answer for this question. A man moving with 5 meters per second observes rain falling vertically at the rate of 10 meters per second. All right. Find the speed and direction of the rain with respect to ground. Krishna is saying 5√5. Let us see. We will find out. Rahul is also answering. Come on guys, please answer. Saksha, where are you? Saksha, Irsita Saksha. Direction can be found easily, sir, as it is a right angle triangle. Okay, that's good. Very good. That's a progress. Mohammad Ryan has answered. Tanmay has answered. Karthik, both of you. Karthik Malya, Karthik Nair. Please answer. Kushal Patil. Meghna, you haven't answered today. Please attempt this and give me a correct answer. Michelle, Mohinish, Mohammed has answered. Naveen, answer karo bacha. Ritesh, where are you? We have talked yesterday, right? Ritesh Kumar. Respond to me. Answer karo. Otherwise, let me know if you have any problem in this one. Harshvardhan has answered. Karthik has answered. Vishwa has answered. Jhansi. Yes, Tapade. Very good. Sachiti, please answer. Sachiti. Sarthak, Sachiti, Sakshi Patil, Samarth. both of you, Samarth Durgosi and Samarth S. All right, very good Sachiti. देखते हैं. Ritu has answered, Aditya, Tarak Datta, Harshvardhan, Sakshi, K, Chirag. चलो फाइंड आउट करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या इज इट वेरी टफ दैट वी कांट सॉल्व और दिस इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. देखो बच्चों, मैन इज व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू? कम ऑन गाइस, टेल मी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू? You have to draw the velocity vector diagram. You have to draw the velocity vector diagram. So a man is moving with 5 meters per second, observes rain falling vertically. What is the meaning of this? What is the direction of rain with respect to man? This vertically downward direction is velocity of rain with respect to man or velocity of rain only? Because this is important, guys. You have to figure out this. Rain falling vertically at the rate of 10 meters per second. So this 10 meters per second is velocity of rain with respect to ground or velocity of rain with respect to man. बोलो चलो जल्दी आंसर करो. With respect to man. Why? Because in the question it is said a man moving with 5 meters per second observes, that he is observing when he is moving with 5 meters per second. If the man is still, if man is standing, and if he observes that the rain is falling vertically, then velocity of rain with respect to man will be equal to the velocity of rain with respect to ground as well. But since this is moving with some velocity, so this is nothing but velocity of rain with respect to man only. So I'll draw that. Velocity of rain with respect to man. This is given to us. And what is this value? 10. What is velocity of man? So velocity of man is what? 5 meters per second. Let us draw this. This is velocity of man. What is the value? 5 meters per second. We need to find what is the direction, what is the speed and direction of rain with respect to ground. So we have to find what is VR. So what is VR? So VR is nothing but VRM plus VM. All right, VR is nothing but VRM plus VM, because VRM is nothing but VR minus VM. So VM will be brought here, so VRM plus VM will be VR. So we have to add these two to get VR. We have drawn them in same order, so VR will be this only. This will be VR. Let us write this here. Guys, click yes if you are okay with the diagram. Guys, if you have drawn the diagram, 90% of the work is over. Okay? Guys, click yes if you have understood the diagram. Let me know if you have any doubt in this one. Clear hai? Chaliye, bahut badhiya. Now we need to find what is VR and what is the direction. Direction will be given by the angle and the speed will be given by the magnitude. So what will be VR? So if I say this is 90 degree, this is what? 90 degree. So VR is nothing but square root of easy, right? VR is equal to VRM square plus VR square, because this is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Solve this. Square root of 110 square plus 5 square. This is nothing but 125. So this is nothing but 5 root 5 meter per second. What about the direction, guys? So let us find the direction of rain with respect to vertical part. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but 5 by 10, 1 by 2. So theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. This is the angle made by rain with vertical. Guys, click yes if you have understood the direction and the magnitude. Your app failed. Okay, Shreyas, figure update करो ना उसको. Shreyas, please update your app. ठीक है? It will work properly. 60? Are you sure, Krishna? Is it 60? Are you sure? Because I'm not sure that it will be 60. Bacha, what is the value of theta if tan theta is 1/2? Do you have standard value for that? No. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this. Where did I write u and v? Abhishek? Where did I write? Acha, u and v. Dekho, if I'll be writing u na, u will be like this. If I'll be writing v, v will be like this. ऊपर में ऐसा गोल रहेगा, खाली जगह. Understood, Abhishek? So if I write u, I'll write u like this. If I write v, v will be something like this. Or even if I write something like this, consider this as v only. If you see there is some kind of gap here, then consider v I have written. All right. Chalo. So, बढ़िया बच्चा, thank you for responding me. Answer करो इसका. A standing man observes rain falling with velocity of 20 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical. Find the velocity with which the man should move so that the rain appears to fall vertically to him. First question. Second one. Now if he further increases his speed, rain again appears to fall at 30 degrees with the vertical. Find his new velocity. Yes, Vineet, that is correct. Vineet has answered. Very good, Rahul. Both of the answers are correct. Come on, bacha, answer this. It's not tough as it looks. It's very, very easy. Just follow the basics. Draw the vector diagram and then use the geometry. You'll get the answer. नील चंदन, बच्चा आंसर करो जल्दी से. Give me some answer. Neil Chandan, you have a very good name. Tarak Datta has given an answer. Chirag, ये क्या हुआ? All right. Hoot Chandramukhi, start the broadcast. Yeah, I am here only, बच्चा. कुछ तो issue हुआ था. Yeah, I think now it's everything is fine, right? Yeah. So if every one of you has given the answer for first one as 10 meters per second, and I think that is correct also. Very good, guys. Keep it up. बहुत बढ़िया. So the answer for first one is what? 10 meters per second. देखते हैं how can we get that value? How we are going to get that value? Let me add a page here. Sorry, guys. Sorry for this disturbance. A standing man observes rain falling with velocity of 20 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees. The man is standing. रुका पड़ा है, rest. All right. So this 20 meters per second. See, if you are going to draw the vector diagram, it will somehow look like this. If this is the vertical, this is the vertical. Now, what is the velocity of man? 0. No velocity. So we can't draw an arrowed line. What is the velocity of rain with respect to man? Making an angle of 30 degrees. Making an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical. So consider this is the 30 degree part. This is velocity of rain. And here, this will be the velocity of rain with respect to man as well. Because velocity of rain with respect to man is equal to velocity of rain minus velocity of man. And since man is standing, so this will be 0 in first case. Alright, guys. So this is the condition here. Achha. Now second condition क्या है? चलो. Yeah. Find the velocity with which the man should move so that rain appears to fall vertically to him. Find the velocity with which the man should move so that the rain appears to fall vertically to him. Tell me guys, in which direction the man should move, towards right or towards left? Bolo chalo. In which direction the man should move so that the rain will fall vertically according to him? Because if you face any difficulty, draw the vector diagram, you'll get the answer. Okay? If you face any kind of difficulty, draw the vector diagram. So let us draw it. So many of you are saying towards right. So man should move towards right so that he will feel that rain is what? Falling vertically. ठीक है? देखते हैं whether they are correct or not. So now there are two directions possible. Let us draw both of them. All right. First, let us copy this, because velocity of rain is fixed, right? That is not going to change if you run towards right or left, because VR is given to us. So that is the fixed. So it cannot change this. Achha. Now what are the possible directions of velocity of man? If you're moving towards right or if you're moving towards left. These are the two possible directions. Now, using both of them, let us find out what is the VRM. What is the approach here? Kya hona chahiye bachcha? What is the condition here? That with respect to man, the rain should fall vertically downward. Bacha log, if this is the velocity of man, tell me whether there is a possibility that velocity of rain with respect to man will be vertical ever. Draw that diagram. This is what VRM. This is what VRM. Acha, what about this one? If man is moving towards left, then there is a possibility for this VRM. Tell me guys, in which one of these two diagrams, which one of these two possibilities, VRM can be vertical? Can you ever get this part that this VRM will be vertical? Never. Even you make VM as 0, it will not be vertical. If you have this VM as chota itna bhi, then also this will not be vertical. Not vertical, not vertical, not vertical, not vertical, never. So the man should move towards kaun sa direction bacha? Bolo bacha log. Man should move towards which direction? It should move towards leftward. Acha. Now, but is it vertical? No. But what if VM is chota? Then it will be vertical. So let us make chota vertical, right? Let's make this VM as smaller one. All right, let me consider this as the VM. Or chota. So this is the VRM value. This is VM. This is VRM. This is VR. Guys, click yes if you have understood the diagram. Guys, I'm going extremely slow. So those who have already attempted this, they might feel bored. But anyway, I have to teach you everything. So I'm going very, very slow. Guys, click yes if you have understood this diagram. Why didn't I make sure that the man is moving towards right? Reason kya tha? It will not have a vertical direction. The VRM will not be vertical in that case. Achha. So when man is moving, this is how the vector diagram will look like. Achha. What we need to find, guys? We need to find the velocity with which the man will move. That means we have to find what is VM. Tell me, guys, what is the value of VR? Do we know the value of VR? VR is what? 3. VR kitna bacha? Sorry, VR is what? 20. VR is 20. What is this? This is 90. All right. Acha. Which value we need to find? We need to find the value of velocity of man. Now tell me, guys, how will you find the velocity of man? Acha, 30 degree kya hai? One more angle is given to us. That is 30. 30 is with the vertical. So this angle is 30. VR is what? Making an angle 30 with the vertical. So this angle is 30. So with the vertical it is 30. Now we have to find what is the value of VM. Tell me, guys, how will you find VM? Kaun sa bacha? What happened? Tarak Dutta, what happened? We need to find VM only, na? Sine function. Yeah, Karthik. Yeah, we can use that. So I can say that this value is known to us. This is 30. We need to find VM. So instead of writing sine, it should be we should be using sine only, because for this angle 30, this will be perpendicular and this will be what? Hypotenuse. So sine 30 will be equal to VM divided by VR, and VM is unknown to us. So VM will be equal to VR into sine 30. VR is equal to 20. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 10. Clear, bacha? Pradeep, we can't use tan 30 na. If you are using tan 30, then perpendicular by base. Do you know the value of VRM? It's not. When you are moving with some velocity, the velocity of rain with respect to man, direction is known to you, but what is the velocity that is not known to you? Guys, am I clear to all of you? Acha, how many of you are having this doubt? Sir, VRM is equal to VR, so this is also VR. Arey bacha, when VM is 0, then only this relation holds true, na? Now your VM is not 0. So VRM and VR, both of them are different. I think you are having this confusion only. Sir, VRM is equal to this VR, so why are you writing VR and VRM alag-alag? Reason simple, here man is moving, VM is not 0 here. So VRM and VR, both of them are different in this case. But in this case, VRM and VR are same because VM is 0. Alright guys, let us move on to next question, the second one. Now if he further increases his speed, rain again appears to fall. Kya ho raha bacha? When he further increases his speed, rain again appears to fall at 30 degree with the vertical. Find the new speed. Dekho. Now dekho bacha. If he increases the velocity, so diagram kaisa hoga bacha log? Dekho. Now again he feels, see, first time when he was at rest, he felt that the rain is falling vertically at 30 degree. Now when he increases the speed, again he's feeling that rain is again falling vertical with 30 degree. That means now the rain will be what? Falling like this, making 30 degree on the opposite side. So now the condition will be like this. Let me copy this diagram for the reference. All right, let me copy this diagram for the reference. So this was the diagram, right? Now he has to increase the velocity in such a way that now VRM should be 30 degree with the vertical again. So it will look like this. So this is now 30 degree. Now what is VM here? Now VM is something else. Abhi VM kya hai bacha? Kuch aur hai. Aur VM ka value kya hoga? That we need to find. All right. So now this is the value VM and this is the value VRM and this is already VR. Guys, click yes if you have understood the diagram here. When you increase the velocity, again you are finding out rain is falling at an angle of 30 degree with the vertical. So this is how the diagram will look like. So I have increased the velocity. All right. Achha. If this is 30, this is 30. Tell me guys, what is this angle? And this is 60. This is 60. Can I say that if this is 60, this is 60, this is 90, so this must be the perpendicular bisector? Or this must be the side bisector. So this must be equal to this value. If this is 10, so this value must be 10. So what is the value of VM then? Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Let me know if you have any doubt in this one. Achha. If you don't have any doubt, what if the question will be like this? When he further increases his speed, he observes that rain is falling at an angle of some 45 degrees with the vertical. Let me frame a question for you. ठीक है, एक नया question frame करता हूँ, general one. All right. This is a very simple one. When he further increases his speed, ठीक है, he observed or he observes rain is falling at an angle of 45 degree with the vertical. Find that velocity. Find the velocity of man. Velocity of man in that condition. बोलो बच्चों, जल्दी से आंसर करो. Come on guys, give me the answer. Very good बच्चा. No, only one case रहेगा बच्चा, एक ही केस रहेगा. इंक्रीज किधर करेगा? एक ही डायरेक्शन में करेगा ना. 15, are you sure? I am not sure about that. देखते हैं. 15 है और 10 plus 10 root 2 है. Let us find out. I think so, Vineet. I think so. देखो बच्चा, कंडीशन क्या है? सेम डायग्राम है ना, ऐसा कुछ डायग्राम रहेगा. You're having this condition when it was vertical, right? Now increase the speed. Increase the speed. Now this is what Vm. Total is what Vm. All right. Now the VRM is making an angle 45 degree. This is VRM. This is 45 degrees. Now what is VM here? Can I say that if I name this as A, B, or let's call this as A, B, C, and D. So here I can say that velocity of man can be written as AC and AC can be written as AD plus CD, where CD is already 10. So I can write AD plus 10. How will you find AD? So in right angle triangle, in triangle ABD, I can say that tan of 45 degrees. देखो, what is the value of this बच्चा? ये value कितना था? What is the velocity of rain with respect to man? ये value कितना था बोलो? What was this velocity, guys? Tell me. What will be this velocity? Tell me, guys. So tan 45 will be written as AD divided by DB. AD divided by DB, right? चलिए. What is DB? How will you find DB? So you'll say in triangle BCD, you can write tan 30 degree is equal to CD divided by DB. And from there you can find DB is equal to CD is 10 into tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So 10 by root 3. So DB is equal to 10 by root 3, right? चलिए देखिए. So DB is 10 by root 3. So I'll get AD is equal to 10 by root 3 into tan 45, that is 1 by root 2. So answer is but I think कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है ना? But चलो please let me know if okay, it is not 1 by root 2, it is 1 only ना. Tan 45 is 1 only, right? My bad. That is what I was thinking. It cannot be less than 10. ठीक है, so it will be 10 by root 3. Still I feel something is off. Still I think something is off. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Daya, find out what is that गड़बड़ part. Yeah, गड़बड़ is this part. Here DB is equal to CD by tan 30. CD by tan 30. So CD is 10, so 10 into root 3. It cannot be less than 10, na? See, how did I find out something is wrong, bachalo? Can you tell me? How did I find something is wrong? How did I find that 10 by root 3 cannot be the answer? Simple reason hai. When the angle was 30, this was 10. When angle is 45, this value must be greater than 10. This AD must be greater than 10. And if you're having 10 by root 3 here as AD, it cannot be the answer. That is why I told there's something wrong. And that wrong part was here. Okay? So from here, dB will be equal to CD divided by tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Root 3 will go into numerator. I'll get 10 root 3. So 10 root 3, dB is 10 root 3. So dB is 10 root 3 here. So I'll say AD is equal to dB into tan 45. Tan 45 into 10 root 3 is what? 10 root 3. All right. So what is the AC part here? So Vm is equal to 10 root 3 plus 10. So what is the answer? 10 into root 3 plus 1. Vineet, you are also wrong. Now guys, click yes if you have understood this. Bachalo, click yes if you have understood this. Am I clear? This is the general case you can be asked. That was very special case that the angle is again 30. So if angle is again 30, it will become a kind of isosceles triangle, right? So that perpendicular will act as a side bisector. So if DC is 10, AD will be 10 in that case. But here, that is not the case. Here you have to use the geometry, basic geometrical concepts, right? Okay. Guys, are you feeling comfortable with Rain Man problem? Is it very tough? Is it a special case? It's not a special case. You just have to use the velocity vector diagram and some geometry. That's it. Okay. Vishwa, it's a bit confusing if you're not drawing the diagram properly. Okay. Chalo, last question karte hain. One more question from Rain Man problem. Try to get the answer for this. This is very popular question. You'll find this question in most of the books. But this is very popular. Come on, guys, give me the answer. A person standing on a road has to hold his umbrella at 60 degrees with the vertical to keep the rain away. To keep the rain away. He throws the umbrella and starts running at 20 meters per second. He finds that the raindrops are falling on him vertically. Find the speed of raindrops with respect to first question, ground. Second question, the moving man. Come on, guys, give me the answer. Let us see how many of you can get the correct answer here. This question was not included in the notes. So if you're getting the right answer here, then I'll understand that you have understood this. I'll feel that you have understood this. Otherwise, you have just Googled it or you have solved it in a very, you can say you have taken so much of time to solve those questions. A person standing on a road has to hold his umbrella at 60 degrees with the vertical. What is the direction of velocity of rain, guys? What is the direction of velocity of rain here? The direction of velocity of rain is what? Making an angle of 60 degrees with the vertical, because man is standing and he's observing this part. Okay? And yeah, so he throws the umbrella. Now he throws the umbrella and starts running at 20 meters per second. He finds when he was running at 20 meters per second, he finds that raindrops are falling on him vertically. Find the speed of rain with respect to road and the rain with respect to moving man. So Muhammad Rayan is the first one to answer this. Let us see whether he's correct or not. चलो बच्चों लोग जल्दी आंसर करो. Come on, guys, draw the diagram. You can aram se get the answer for this. Vineet has also answered. Very good, bacha. Pradeep has answered. Krishna has answered. Vishwa has answered. Tanmay. Muhammad Rayan ने दोनों आंसर किया. Very good, बच्चा. Rahul Girisagar has also answered. Jhansi has answered. But answers सबके अलग अलग हैं यार. Like everyone is giving some other answers, different answers. Jhansi 10, Rahul Girisagar 23.1. Rayan is saying 11.55 for the second one. Rahul Girisagar 11.5 for the second one. Sneha 40√3. तन्मय ने बोला 20/√3, less than 20. All right, slightly greater than 11-12. Yeah, so तेरा भी आंसर वैसे कुछ 11 point something. Vishwa has said that, sir, I've got the diagram and took a sine inverse of Vm by Vrm. Let us see. Sneha has answered. Vineet, sir, जो लोग decimal में दे रहे हैं वो googler हैं. They might be going for the calculator. I can't say they are googling it, but they might be taking help of calculator. Guys, please don't take help of calculator. You will not be allowed to use calculator in JEE Main or NEET. Sahana has answered. Very good. Yeah, possible hai. Krishna has answered. Very good. Chalo, answer karta hu bachcha. Dekho, dhyan se. So, person standing on a road has to hold his umbrella at 60 degree with the vertical. That means when do you keep your umbrella at 60 degree with the vertical to avoid yourself to make yourself safe from the rain, right? So that you should not be getting wet. So the velocity of rain kya hai bacha? The velocity of rain is what? Making an angle of 60 degree with the vertical. All right, let me draw like this. This is the vertical. All right, and this is the velocity of rain. So this is the diagram. This is the question that has been given to you. This is the 60 degree part. Acha. When the man will start moving, he throws the umbrella and he starts running. He throws the umbrella and starts running at 20 meters per second. He finds that raindrops are falling on him vertically. Now tell me, guys, if rain is falling down like this, in which direction man should move so that he'll feel that rain is falling vertically? Whether the man will move rightward or leftward. In which direction man should move? See, first of all, draw that VRM. You'll get the answer. Draw that VRM. VRM is what? Vertically downward. All right. Now we know that VR is equal to VRM plus Vm. Right? If I say this is VRM, and if I draw this Vm towards right, as few of you are saying, will you get VR in this direction? No. So in which direction Vm should be? Should be in this direction. Guys, did you understand this? Am I clear to all of you? So this is VRM and Vm will be something like this. This is Vm. Now this is simple. This is a right angle triangle. You can aram se get the answer. Tell me the values, guys. Do we have any value? Yeah, Vm is given to us 20. This is 60. What do we need to find? We need to find what is VR and what is VRM. Because VR is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. VRM is the velocity of rain with respect to man. So how will you find VR? Chalo. So can I say this is known to us, this angle is known to us. For this VR, for this angle theta, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. We should use the trigonometric ratio sine theta. So sine 60 can be written as 20 divided by VR, and then VR can be written as 20 divided by sine 60, that means 20 by 2. So answer is 40/√3, or you can say that, yeah, 40/√3 only, no issues, meter per second. To get the value of VRM, to get the value of VRM, tell me what should I use, guys? So for this angle, this is the base or adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse that is known to us. So I can use the trigonometric function cos theta, and cos 60 can be written as VRM divided by VRM divided by VR. So from this part, did I commit any mistake, guys? No, na? Okay. So I can write VRM is equal to VR into cos of 60. VR is nothing but 40 by root 3. So 40 by root 3 into 1 by 2. So answer is 20 by root 3 meter per second. Guys, click yes if you have got this answer using the same approach. Guys, click yes if you have got the same answer. Clear hai sabko? Crystal clear? Sprite clear? Guys, do you have any doubt in Rain Man problem? चिराग, क्या डाउट है बच्चा? चिराग, ओके, क्लियर है? ओके, ठीक है, नो इश्यूज. Guys, do you have any doubt in Rain Man problem? These are the basic questions that can be asked to you from Rain Man problem. It does not require any special theory. It does not require anything but the concept of relative velocity and the vector diagram. If you are able to draw the velocity vector diagram, you can aram se get the answer. Acha. Sometimes you have to use this sine rule of triangle. Guys, what is the sine rule? Bolo chalo. What is sine rule of triangle? I'm just teaching you here. This is based on this vector law, vector addition only. That if you're having three vectors and summation of these three vectors are 0, if they're making a closed triangle, then if this is, let's say, if this is A, let me call this as, yeah, A, B, and C. Length of this is A, length of this is B, length of this is C. Okay? And if this is beta, this is gamma, and this is alpha. So the angle opposite to the side length A is alpha, the angle opposite to the side length B is beta, and the angle opposite to the side length C is, let's say, gamma. Then sine rule suggests that A divided by, क्या है बच्चा, ध्यान से देखना, please remember this, A divided by sine of alpha is equal to B divided by sine of beta is equal to C divided by sine of gamma. Alright, guys. So this is nothing but the sine rule of triangle. Please remember this. This is very, very important. Sometimes this will help you to get the answer in a very short span of time. Okay? So this is very, very important for you guys. Please remember this. How many of you already knew this? Guys, how many of you already knew this? कितने लोगों को पहले से पता था? Vineet has already answered. R by sine theta. Yeah, you can do that. So if you are having a closed triangle and if you know the side length, अच्छा बताओ बच्चा लोग, if you are having any closed triangle, whether this is right angle or not, it doesn't matter. If you know any, like if you know two angles, let's say if you know alpha and gamma, and if you know one of the side out of A and C, if you know alpha and gamma, and if you know C only, can you find the value of A? Tell me guys, yes or no? So if any two angle and one side is given to you, you can find the all the other parameters. Or if any two sides and one angle is given to you, you can find the other parameters also. If A and AC is given to you, or A and B is given to you, AB is given to you, okay, and let's say alpha is given to you. So if AB is given to you, alpha is given to you, you can find beta. Okay? And if beta is given, if you find beta, you can find the value of gamma also, because gamma will be 180 minus alpha plus beta, right? So once you'll find the value of gamma, you can find the value of C as well. So if any of the two sides, ऐसे ध्यान लिख लेना इधर, if any two sides and angle, if any two sides and angle common angle is known. Why did I say common angle? If A is given to you, B is given to you, and this gamma is given to you, then it will be very, very difficult to solve, because A is given to you, B is given to you, gamma is given to you. So in all the relations, two variables will be there. So thoda mushkil hoga. So that is why I'm saying, if any two sides, if A and B is given to you, and if the angle other than the common angle, so A, B के लिए common angle क्या है? Gamma is given to you, and the angle other than the common angle is known, then third side length and other two angles can be calculated. ठीक है बच्चा? Guys, did you understand this? So if I give you AB and this angle alpha or beta, you get all the values. Or if I give you C and B, and if I give you any angle gamma or beta, you'll get all the values. Similarly, if you know any two angle, let's say if you know alpha and beta, if you know alpha and beta, and if you know the A or B, out of A and B, anything you know, you can find out all the answers. All right, guys. अच्छा, मैंने ट्रायंगल बेसिक के पास बताया था क्या? देन इट्स गुड. विनीत इज सेइंग सर आपने इसे बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स सिखाते हुए क्लास एंड होने के बाद डिस्कस किया था. ऑल राइट, या सो इट्स ओके इफ आई हैव डिस्कस दिस. इट्स ओके बच्चा. ऑल राइट गाइस, नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू एयरक्राफ्ट. ठीक है, विंड एंड एयरक्राफ्ट. कम ऑन गाइस, गिव मी एन आंसर फॉर दिस. An aircraft flies at 40 km per hour. An aircraft flies at 400 km per hour in still air. What is this 400 km per hour, guys? Tell me. You can compare it with velocity of boat with respect to river wala kind. In still water, in still air. So this is the velocity of aircraft with respect to air. Okay? The velocity of plane with respect to air. Yeah, Vishwa, I know that. And a wind of 200 km per hour is blowing from south. Okay? And a wind of 200 km per hour is blowing from south. The pilot wishes to travel from A to B, northeast of A. किधर से किधर जाना चाहता बच्चा? From A point to B point. The pilot wants to travel from point A to point B, which B is what? Northeast of A. A से northeast direction में B है. That means this is A, this is B. So this is east and this is north. So B is northeast of A, and this AB length is given to us as 1000 kilometers. What is the direction of wind, bachcha log? So direction of wind is what? Northward or southward? Tell me, guys. The wind of 200 km per hour is blowing from south. So what is the direction of wind? It's towards north. Very good. Keep it up. So direction of, so this is the triangle you're going to have. Draw the velocity triangle, guys. This is velocity VW. Okay, velocity of wind. All right. Acha. There is one concept, there is one thing that you should understand. If the pilot want to travel from A to B, that means AB ke along, what should be the direction of the aircraft? What should be the direction of aircraft? When aisa hua, he has to go from A to B. What should be the direction of aircraft? With respect to ground, कैसे होना चाहिए? So if the pilot wants to move along AB, can I say the direction of velocity of aircraft should be along AB? Guys, click yes if you have understood this. This is making an angle 45 degree with the east. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. बच्चा लोग प्लीज क्लिक yes if you have understood this. क्लियर है? अच्छा. So now what should be the velocity of aircraft with respect to wind? तो वो किधर होना चाहिए? That will be what? इनका आप resultant निकालोगे, right? So use the vector diagram. So guys, I request all of you to draw the vector diagram right now. Draw the vector diagram right now. Please do that. And once you draw the vector diagram, let me know. Once you draw the vector diagram, let me know. Okay? Then I'll give you the correct answer. But first, I need all of you to draw the vector diagram so that you should understand how to approach this kind of problem. It's okay if you commit some mistakes. It's okay. Vishwa is saying, sir, I had already solved this question. Good, very good. Keep it up. Vishwa, can you show the diagram on the camera, on webcam? Let me see the diagram which you have drawn. Vishwa, can you show that? दिखाओ जल्दी से. Come on, guys, please draw the diagram. अच्छा, what are the? ठीक है बच्चा, I'm waiting. How many parameters will be there? 3 parameters, 3 velocities. कौन सा बच्चा लोग? तो velocity of aircraft with respect to ground, velocity of wind, and velocity of aircraft with respect to wind. So these are the 3 velocities that you have to draw. Draw them. Come on, guys, please do it. I request all of you to draw the velocity vector diagram. And what is the relation? The same relation will be valid here also. VAW will be equal to VA minus VW. ठीक है? चलिए जल्दी से बताइए. Anyone who has drawn the diagram? Guys, is this tough? Is it a tough question? Why are you not responding whether you have drawn it or not? Don't worry, I'll not ask you to show it to me. So let me know if you have drawn it. 2 of the diagram is 2 of the directions is already known to us. Na? I have already drawn these things. Yash has drawn it. Very good. So VA and VW is already known. Can't you find VAW? Guys, please don't test my patience here. VA is already known to us. VW is already known to us. Can't we find VAW? क्या पूरा सही में गजनी हो गया तुम लोग? Are you guys सच्ची में गजनी? Yes, Vishwa, please show that. Please show the diagram. Very good, Vishwa. जल्दी से दिखाओ. Have you switched on your video? I can't see you. Vishwa, please switch on your video. Yeah, ठीक है. और थोड़ा close लाओ. Close थोड़ा लाओ. A little bit more closer. Yeah. So guys, can you see? Let me spotlight Vishwa's video. Wait, bacha, wait. Guys, can you see Vishwa camera? I have spotlighted his video. So this is how he has drawn the diagram. This is how he has drawn the diagram. Very good, bacha. Keep it up. Yes, Tapre is also showing the diagram. Let me spotlight your video. But yes, I can't look at your diagram because you have enabled this background and all. So that is actually, I can't. It's not visually, but yeah, I can see you have drawn it. Very good, bacha. Very good. Keep it up. Chaliye, let me make myself again spotlight here. All right, guys, let me draw it. Guys, I'm I'm really disappointed in all of you right now for this one, because you guys are not doing at all. You guys are not solving these questions. So VAW मुझे निकालना है, right? So how do you get this velocity vector diagram? Draw VA and VW in such a way that क्या बच्चा, their tails are coinciding. All right? Because VA, VW, how do you draw this subtraction part? Draw VA and VW in such a way that their tails are coinciding. ठीक है? तो draw करते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So it has been drawn already. Copy. So what will be VAW? Achha, if you look at the magnitude here, look at the magnitude. 200 root 2 is the velocity of wind. What is the velocity of aircraft? 400. थोड़ा थोड़ा बड़ा छोटा है, right? So velocity of aircraft is what? Velocity of VAW is what? 400. चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So wind को थोड़ा सा कम करते हैं, चलेगा, no issues यार, it's okay. So VAW will be this direction. VAW will be this direction. Guys, am I clear? What was so tough about this? इसमें क्या दिक्कत था? If I ask you to draw R is equal to vector A minus vector B, how do you draw it? If this is A vector, this is B vector. Draw A and B in such a way that their tails are coinciding. How many times should I reiterate this part? R will be A minus B, so the head of R should be at the head of first vector. So this will be R. कितनी बार मुझे ये part बताना पड़ेगा? You tell me, guys. I'll make a count of it and I'll tell you how to do it every time. If you don't recall these things, guys, sorry, मुश्किल हो जाएगा. चलिए, this is the diagram that I'm having right now. Let us write down the values here. So VW is 200. What is VAW? 400. Get 200 root 2. 200 root 2. 200 root 2. Can I say if this is 45, this is also 45 degrees? All right. Achha. Can I say we have been given the same thing here? See, VW and VAW, two side lengths are given to us. This length and this length is given to us. And one angle which is not common to this is given to us. Can I find all the values? I can find VA, I can find this angle, I can find this angle, I can find everything. So let us find out what is VA, because in the question they have asked us to find the direction he must steer at the time of journey and the time of journey. So what is the direction of steering? So direction of steering is this one. Direction of steering is this one. So he has to steer in this direction. How will I find the direction of steering, guys? So I have to find what is the angle made by this with the north direction or with the east direction. Let us find out. First, let us find out what is the value of VA, and then we'll find out the time of journey. Can I say that VA divided by, और ध्यान से देखो, I can say this divided by this angle. ठीक है, this one divided by this angle will be equal to this divided by this angle. So I'll write VW divided by the angle opposite to this line. Angle opposite to this line is this one. Let me call this as angle alpha. Sine alpha is equal to, now VAW divided by sine of this. So 400. So VAW divided by sine of 45. So I'll get this sine alpha here. So sine alpha is equal to VW divided by VAW into sine of 45. So VW is कितना बच्चा लोग? 200 root 2 divided by VAW is 400 into sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So root 2 cancel. 200 by 400 is 2. So what is the answer? 1 by 2. So what is the value of alpha, bachcha log? Tell me. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is nothing but 30 degrees. So if I know this value alpha 30 degrees, can I say this angle will be nothing but 105 degrees? Because 30 degree plus 45 is 75. Total angle must be 180. So 105 plus 75 will be 180. So this value will be 105. How will I get this VA in that case? So I'll say VA divided by sine 105 degree is equal to VA divided by sine 105 is equal to VAW divided by sine 45. Okay? Put the values. So VA is equal to VAW is 400 divided by 1 by root 2, so root 2 into sine of 105 degrees. So 400 root 2 into sine 105 degrees is the velocity of aeroplane or velocity of the aircraft. All right, guys. Once I'll know the value of velocity of aircraft, can I say the time of journey will be equal to distance traveled. What is the distance traveled? AB divided by what is the velocity A? So distance travel is 1000 kilometers, divide by what is velocity A? 400 root 2 into sine 105 degrees. Double zero cancel. I'll get 5 root 2 divided by sine 105 degrees. Guys, click yes if you have understood the time of journey. But chalo, click yes if you have understood the time of journey. Guys, tell me, how will you find the direction? Guys, tell me, how will you find the direction? So what is the direction of aircraft with respect to wind? What is the direction of aircraft with respect to wind? So it is making an angle of 105 with the vertical. That means this is nothing but the north. In this question, we have already assumed this is nothing but the north. This is nothing but the east. ठीक है? तो ये किसके साथ, इसके साथ 105 बना रहा है. What does that mean? That means this is not actually here. This is somewhere here. This is, can it be here, guys? If this is 105, it is acute angle symbol, right? So what should be the angle? It should be somewhere like this. So the modified diagram will be what? Somewhat like this. It will look ऐसा कुछ. This is VW. This will be something of this sort. ऐसा होगा. Because this is what? 105 degrees. This is कितना बच्चा लोग? 30 degrees. This is कितना बच्चा लोग? 45 degrees. This is north. This is north. This direction is what? East. So what is the direction in which pilot must steer the plane? Tell me, guys, what is the answer? How will you write this direction? What is the presentation you should use? बोलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से. How do you present this direction? 15 degree north of east. Very good, Pratik. 15 degree north of east. So from east at an angle of 15 degree. So this angle will be 15 degrees. So you'll write 15 degrees north of east. Or you can say that 75 degrees east of north. This will be 75. So 75 degrees east of north. So from north at an angle of 75 degrees towards east. That can also be the answer. So in the option, if I ask you, if in the objective question, if I ask you, what is the direction? I can give you option like this also. I can also give you an option like this. 75 degrees east of north. This will also be the correct answer. So guys, let us end our class here only. I have taken 6 extra minutes of yours. Thank you, guys. Thank you for attending the class. And guys, I request all of you to please revise vectors and please solve as many numericals as you can from motion in 2D, from relative velocity and all. So thank you, bachcha log. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day and enjoy Muddy, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.